Okay, so this was what I was saying on the last week. The last week's weekly forecast. We were waiting for price to move up to this zone, and then we would have sold the market. But you can see price used a minor resistance here to sell the market. But if you were on the market, you could have also cut this sell, because as you can see, retest, and then you're waiting for the market to come here. But you can see this price created this my small kind of head and shoulders pattern. And then even if you had missed this entry, you could have gotten this one here, this retest of the another major head and shoulders pattern. This sells, you could have gotten it. To be frank, I missed this trade, because I was really busy this week, and I missed the trade. And my alerts were up here, and they never got triggered, so I missed the trade. But if I could have on Wednesday, if I was in the market, I could have gotten this sell right here. But I didn't come back to Gbpjpy, because my trigger my alerts weren't triggered. So I thought the market was still playing around here. When I came to the market on Thursday, we were around somewhere here, which I had missed the move. But again, no worries, because that's how the market is. You're going to miss a lot of trades, lose a lot of trades, and then win a lot of trades. All that matters is your risk management. Okay. So that's just okay. I was just explaining last week, so let's go over to this week. So what I'm waiting for this week is for price to come up to this zone here, and then we sell. But then again, because of what happened last week, I'm going to be putting this blue mark here, this blue line here. Let me change it to red, because our zone is also a bit like blue. And then on the 4-hour time frame, because of what happened last week, I'm going to also see how price is going to react. Maybe price might not even come deeper into this zone, and then we sell from here. So this is what I'm looking up on Gbpjpy. This is what I want to be looking at. Okay. So now let's move on to Gbpnzd. Guys, I don't know what's happening today. The Wi-Fi, my Wi-Fi has never been slow like this. I don't know why. Today the Wi-Fi has been very slow. Okay. This is what I'm also looking up on Gbpnzd. So let me delete this channel here. Okay. So as you can see from the higher time frame, price broken this higher low, and then we've been on the downside ever since, and then we've broken this major zone up here. So what we are waiting for is the price seems to be a bit consolidating here. So I'm waiting for the retest here, and then we sell to the downside. So let's go on the 4-hour. Yes, that's why I drew this channel. So I'm just waiting for the break of this channel, and then the zone, and then we will go for a sell all the way to this zone. So this is also what I'm looking up on Gbpnzd. Looking for the break, retest, and then we sell. or if price also fails and then finds buying pressure, break, retest, get a confirmation before we sell, because price can also use this place, then we'll continue moving to the downside. So if price comes above this zone, the confirmation of the candles here is going to tell us what to do next. And then if it's a buy, we buy. So let's move on to gold. Okay. So last week, this was where we predicted gold was coming, and then we bought. So I got into this trade last week. This was one of the trades I took. But then my take profit, we got in somewhere almost 200 pips. I closed the trade here. My stop loss was 50 pips. 50 pips, and then I closed the trade here at this green candle here. This was where I closed my place, and then as you can see, price moved all the way up. But it is what it is. You're not going to catch them all. And then go 200 pips is more than enough. Okay. So this is what I'm looking on. Hmm. Waiting for price to come into these areas here, retest, and then we continue to the upside. I also have my red mark here, because in the lower time frame, that place is also a key area, though not a major one, but a key area. And then sometimes on those higher volatile pairs like gold, Germany 30, Nasdaq, US 30, those pairs, price mostly also use the lower key levels to move into a specific direction. So price can take off from here to this area, but I'm very much sure price would come into this zone, and then we go all the way to the upside. So this is my weekly forecast on these pairs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and then share. Guys, subscribe for more. Subscribe for more. As you know, last week we predicted two, and then all the two for pairs played out. So subscribe. Okay, thank you.